Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is incredulous. It is pronounced incredulous and spelt I-N-C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S. Think in, cred, the letter U, and then lus. Incredulous means feeling skeptical, doubtful, or not easily convinced. You could use it to describe someone's reaction to something which is hard to believe or accept. For example, you could say, the audience was incredulous when the magician performed an astonishing magic trick. Or, he was incredulous when he heard the shocking news. The word incredulous comes from the Latin word incredulus, which means not believing or skeptical. Its meaning remains the same today. In The Wizard of Oz, the main character, Dorothy, is often depicted as incredulous. She simply cannot believe the strange and fantastical things she encounters on her journey through the land of Oz. Synonyms for incredulous include skeptical, doubtful, and disbelieving. Antonyms for incredulous are believing, trusting, and accepting. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, incredulous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.